What can you do with those leftover grilled hamburgers? I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making hamburger gravy using leftover burgers. For last night's dinner, we had some broiled hamburgers, and I have 2 nice-sized burgers left over. Sometimes we have these with eggs in the morning or just reheat for lunch, but today I'm making some hamburger gravy over mashed potatoes for dinner. If you have leftover grilled burgers, they are the best. The charcoal flavor really adds another dimension to this meal. In a skillet on medium heat, I'm adding in some butter, diced onions, bell peppers, and some sliced mushrooms. Cooking and stirring for a minute, and then I'm adding in some salt and black pepper. Cooking and stirring for 3 to 5 minutes or until the mushrooms release their moisture. While there is still some liquid on the bottom, I'm adding in some flour, stirring and cooking for a minute or 2. Just cooking out the raw flour taste, and then I'm adding in some liquid. I'm pouring in a couple cups of beef broth. I may add more as it continues to cook. You can use vegetable or chicken broth. I'm turning my heat up to a medium-high to bring this up to a simmer, cooking and stirring, and you will see the gravy form and thicken. If it gets too thick, you can add some more broth. Just add a little at a time, like 1/4 cup or so. Now I'm adding in some more flavor with some Worcestershire sauce, a little more black pepper, and some garlic and onion powder. Stirring those spices in, and remember to give it a taste test and add what you like. Here are my crumbled hamburgers, and I'm also adding in a little more broth, bringing this up to a simmer and cooking for 15 minutes. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. Right before the hamburger gravy is ready, I'm adding in a pop of peas for some freshness and color. Giving that a stir and cooking for a minute just to heat the peas. Serving tonight with some homemade mashed potatoes. This is an easy and quick recipe for using leftover burgers. You could also throw in the leftover hot dogs. I hope you give this delicious hamburger gravy recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!